So when I was about 12 years old, my granddad gave me a lathe machine, which he previously had, and maybe he was a bit too old to use. So he gave it to me, showed me like the really basics of how to use it. After that, I just kind of picked it up and just went away with it, and it was just like, it was the best thing that I've ever used. It was like an amazing tool that I could create something from a square block of wood into like this amazing kind of organic shape. And that was kind of like really exciting for me to kind of create something from nothing in a way, you know, just a log that had just been laying on the grass, potentially like has no purpose other to be burnt. And now I can kind of make something which is, you know, you can be going to someone's house, someone can appreciate it, has like a new life. Like, it's quite interesting. And I thought that as a really young child, that was really kind of strange. Like most kids were outside playing. I was just in my garage, just like making art and sculptures and kind of functional things for the house. It's an amazing feeling when you sort of start to work a piece of wood and you get a hang of a skill and it feels really natural. You know, you kind of feel like you have some sort of calling, and it's just like, wow, like this is me. Like I could do this for the rest of my life. Obviously, I'm not still doing that, but at the time I was just like, wow, like I could spend hours in that garage just making candle holders and sort of small things, and it was just a really great experience. Quite dangerous as well, I think, for, you know, quite a young boy to be like working with really sharp chisels and something that's been like spun at like 2000 RPM. But yeah, it's really great experience to kind of create something from nothing. So there's always a big challenge somewhere. But the biggest challenge I'm facing now is actually not the designing aspect, it's just getting my design seen by others. The solution would be to honestly be someone that I'm not. I like to be the maker, the designer of the thing, you know, and I want to get it to more people, I want to get it to a wider audience, and that's the challenge. But at the same time, you have to kind of make a compromise. You have to say, look, do I want to spend more time in my workshop and making things, or do I want to spend more time getting my stuff out there? But then if I spend 20–30% of my time doing that, then will I have enough time to actually make the stuff I'm selling? Put it this way, if I'm out of the workshop for too long, I feel like I need to be back, you know. There's no kind of position where I can be where I'm not making stuff. I feel like I have to create things, which again is it works in my favour. The idea of employing someone else to make the things that I like making, and then maybe them not liking it, and me actually just promoting it to get my stuff out there is not really worth it. I'd rather have a small amount of my products out there, you know, people liking them and me still making them. I think that's kind of the way forward.